In this video, I'll show you what I carry in my Instax Wide 300 bag. This is a Manfrotto MS messenger bag, but you can use any messenger bag. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Most messenger bags are pretty wide, not very deep, and quite tall. They usually have 3 compartments, middle and one on the side. I put the Instax 300 in the middle. One good tip is to keep the power button away from anything you can, because if the power button is actuated inside the bag, it can break the camera. I've seen a lot of people break the camera this way, so I prefer to have it this way as opposed to that way, because here it can slide and touch this side. So then I take the camera out. On the right side I have the external flash. I usually carry it in the pouch, mostly because I can keep the stand nice and tidy with it. In the left compartment, I keep spare film. Once I use the pack and put it in the camera, I put the exposed pictures back in the film box. One more item that I keep next to the film is a graduated filter. This is for landscapes. If the sky is too bright, I can just darken the sky with this filter like this. Here in this part is a nice little compartment. I use this solely just for one item, which is one of the most important items for the Instax 300. Which is the close-up lens. I like to have a dedicated space for this close-up lens because I use it all the time for portraits. Another useful tip is to know the width of your bag. Here, this one is 14 inches. So that helps me estimate the distance between the camera and the subject when I use the close-up lens. Back here in this compartment, I keep manuals. So I have the flash manual. I have the Instax 300 manual. I also like to have a piece of aluminum foil to direct the flash anywhere I like. In the front part of the compartment, I have a bracket. Sometimes I use this for a party setup. I attach the camera here and then the flash right here, and then I can have a kind of an event set up with the flash. That's it for the main compartment. I have several more items in the front part of the camera bag. Here's a charger. I use exclusively rechargeable batteries in the Instax or in the flashes. Here I have a set of spare batteries. These I can use in the Instax, in the controllers, or in the flash. Here's the radio control that I use for the flash. Here's the optical slave with a hot shoe that I use for controlling the external flashes. I got a pen. Here's a double-sided Sharpie marker. I like to write on my Instax pictures to annotate what date they were taken, what's on it, and how it was taken as far as technical parameters. And the last thing I have is a set of metallic Sharpie markers. Here I have 6 different colors. These are great to write on the Instax. You can write with these on black surfaces, which is great because the entire backside of an Instax picture is completely black. And these show up really nicely. So let me show you how that works. I used the metallic marker on this picture. This is used for my intro. Here's the silver one up front. What's great about the metallic markers is that the back of the Instax picture is completely black, so you can write with the metallic markers even on here. This is what it looks like on the back of the picture.